और तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा ताहिर अंदराबी ने हफ्तावार ब्रीफिंग में कहा है कि पाकिस्तान अफगानिस्तान के साथ मजीद कशीदगी नहीं चाहता। तवक्को है कि अफगानिस्तान दहशतगर्दी के लिए अपनी सरजमीन इस्तेमाल नहीं होने देगा। अफगानिस्तान पर वाज़ेह किया कि अपनी सरजमीन पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ इस्तेमाल से रोके। पाकिस्तान हर हाल में इलाकाई सालमियत और अपनी खुद मुख्तारी का दिफा करेगा। मुस्तकबिल में किसी भी जारियत का भरपूर जवाब दिया जाएगा।
Pakistan positively engaged with the Taliban regime without compromising on its clearly stated position that Afghan soil should not be used for terrorism against Pakistan. Pakistan does not seek further escalation of hostilities, but expects the Afghan Taliban regime to honor its commitment to the international community and address Pakistan's legitimate security concerns by taking concrete and verifiable actions against terrorist entities, including Fitna al-Khawarij and Fitna al-Hindustan. Pakistan decisively responded to Afghan provocation aimed at destabilizing the border area, facilitating terrorism, and furthering the Fitna al-Khawarij's nefarious designs. Pakistan will respond resolutely if provocations continue in the future. This week, Israel continued violation of Gaza peace agreement. Pakistan strongly condemns these renewed attacks by Israeli occupation forces in Gaza, which have reportedly resulted in numerous civilian casualties.